Hello dear viewers, this is Hamid Talash, your instructor with one of the essential and important topic. Dear all, today we are going to speak upon gem technique. What is gem? You think about the gem that you're enjoying in the morning breakfast? No. Gem technique means just a minute technique. In just a minute technique, we are going to learn about how to practice English in 1 minute and improve yourself. Dear all, just a minute technique is the great tool to improve your managing, convincing and general speaking skills. Gem technique आपको एक impactful और effective speaker बना सकता है. Now, you need to understand that if you are going to apply this technique, you will have impactful speaking and your statement will be organized. Your statement will be you will be having the ability to apply your logic appropriately, and this technique will improve your general and professional English speaking a lot. Dear all, अभी आपके ज़हन में एक क्वेश्चन तो ज़रूर आ रहा होगा that how to improve this technique, how to improve and learn it. Now, the first thing is you need to list up your ideas, any topic that you want to speak. जिस topic पे आप आसानी से बात कर सकते हैं, you need to choose that. इसके अलावा, you need to speak upon those topics that you don't feel any type of hesitation while you are speaking about them. है बहुत सारे ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिस पे हम आसानी के साथ एक मिनट के लिए बोल सकते हैं. Now, dear all, you need to improve this technique in front of the mirror, friends, and if there is no mirror, no friends, it's good idea to keep your smartphone in front of you. Practice in front of it. Don't forget to wear your watch, because if you have watch, you'll be careful about time. It is just a minute technique. एक मिनट में आपने idea को क्या करना है? Express करना है. Dear all, there is a technique. If you want to be successful in just a minute technique, you need to make it easy for yourself to bring past, present and future solution technique for it. For example, आप बात करना चाहते हैं technology पे. How was technology in the past? How is technology now? How will be technology in the future? And solution statement. तो आप आसानी से एक मिनट में how was technology in the past? Few sentences, but effective sentences. इन sentences में repetition नहीं होगा. Repetition shouldn't be there. Repetition of words, repetition of sentences, repetition of phrases. And you must not take long pauses. 2-3 seconds से ज़्यादा आपने pause नहीं लेना. They are very important things. And one more thing that you need to know about it, your ending or concluding statement and beginning statement should be effective and amazing. If you practice just a minute technique, you will improve anything, any kind of topic, any kind of idea. Now, just a minute technique will not only improve your speaking skills. ये सिर्फ आपके speaking skills को नहीं, आपके presentation skills को भी improve करता है. How does it improve the presentation skills? ये presentation skills को ऐसे improve करता है that you will be able to present any idea in your school, college, university presentation, or that you are having any professional job somewhere. इसके अलावा, if you are going to speak in meeting or interviews tomorrow and you have specific time to speak, you will be able to manage and organize your thoughts in a specific period of time, and you will be able to conclude them and give the message. Simple words and simple statement. I would love to say that concise and clear information. It is going to it is going to be described in gem technique. Gem technique is helping you to have concise and clear idea. Thank you so much, dear all. It was all from my side in this video. Don't forget to apply this technique, practice it, and make yourself fluent and accurate speaker. Have a great time.